Good evening, good evening. Hello, Belinda. I can't hear you. Plug it in, plug it in.
There you go. Is that better?
Yeah, yes, I see that the whole team is here.
Hmm. Hi, Natanya,
Awesomeness.
Debbie, Sarita.
Hello, Debbie,
Hello.
Surieta, Natanya.
Hello.
Hello,
Don't,
everybody.
Hi.
don't you have anything better to do?
Then be here. No,
Creating wealth.
we need some
Awesomeness.
wealth, yes.
Yeah, man, great to see you all on the call.
Oh, likewise.
Yeah. Okay, let's honor the people that's here. I had in my notes to introduce yourselves, a note there, but we all know each other because we are on the same team. But yeah, it was just for I've got a I see on the group there's over 50 people that there's more than 50 people that bought the book, but there's 55 or 56 people that joined the WhatsApp group. So yeah, I'm going to send them the recording anyway, and I'm going to put this on YouTube if you don't mind. But yeah, what I just want to do this year is to journey with you through this year and also through the book. So the book's got 46 chapters. So I was thinking of doing 4 chapters per month, and just let us journey together on our goal setting. As you all know, I've been doing this since 2004, so that's over 21 years. In Afrikaans, we call it mondig. I don't know what's it in English. If you're 21 years old, waar's julle Engelsmanne?
I don't know, just adulthood. I don't know. I don't
Well,
know.
I will ask Auntie Chat. But I know I love your glasses. Okay, so but yeah, what's and I'm going to journey with you through this book. I'm going to start this book as if I don't know what's going on in there, and I'm really going to do all the practical exercises. And for me, 2026 is to reignite our dreams, uh, have achievable goals in place. I've got my goals in place, but there's always room for improvement, and that is the great thing about life is that always room for improvement. But what I want to see at the end of this year is that our dreams will become a reality. Okay, so we've got the WhatsApp group, so you know um, through the book, there's a lot of practical steps in there. Who have you read the book from scratch to the last page?
That's it. In the process of.
Okay, so you are at the right place at the right time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, we're definitely going to journey through this book, and you will see in all the chapters there's a lot of practical steps in there, and use the group also to bounce ideas and to interact. You will hear when you go through the book, and you will also hear it a lot from my side, is the how do you eat an elephant, hamburger by hamburger. And that is one thing that I learned early in my life, is what the Japanese call the Kaizen principle, is taking one step at a time, one step at a time. And by growing one step at a time, you transform your life and just grow in your life. Okay, so um, my question to you now is, can you help me with the 7 areas of the life, the balanced life that I speak about? Um, just give me one of the 7 areas, or one or two, or
Can you give me a second to go get the book?
ha! I've got the book with me.
No.
Give me a second. I'm coming back now.
Hey, this Belinda. She's gonna get her crypt notes now. Okay. So Rita, any one of you that
Spiritual family. It's my book too.
sorry, you're
Uh,
breaking up. So you said spiritual family.
we just started out.
Oh, there. Surita also go. Natanya?
Mindset and intellect, physical health and wellness,
You're reading it,
financial
Jane.
freedom and wealth
Finances.
creation, career and professional development,
Okay,
social and recreational enjoyment and fun.
awesome. Belinda, you're too late.
I see, I heard it. I can hear it, but nobody can hear me.
Debbie
Running
took a
around.
crypt notes. Okay,
I
so
see.
so what I saw in my life, yes, you get people that's super spiritual, and that's great. Your spiritual side is a very important part of your life as well. But there must be a balance in your between spiritual, your mindset, family, your health, your career, financial, and you have to have fun. So we're going to concentrate on those 7 areas throughout this year. And I just want to make sure while we're busy here is I haven't been um, on the online course for a while, but yeah, I'm not going to open it now. But the great thing is that all the tools and the full program is already online as well. Not all the videos are there. I must admit. I will make sure at the end of the year that that everything that you see in the book will be on video. I think um, I stand to be corrected. Belinda, you can maybe help me. I think we are on chapter 15 or between 15 and 20 that I already have that on video as well. But yeah, I will commit to uh, to have that done before the end of the year. That is part of my goal. Okay, so when we look at the first chapter, that is a inventory. You are more than welcome to fill it in your book, but there is an Excel sheet on the online version where you can fill in all the answers there, and you will see that there's 35 questions. Let me just make sure. I've got my script notes with me. Yeah, 35 questions, and give yourself a score out of 100 there. And the great thing about the online version is that uh, all your scores are calculated anyway, and then you can see there on the graph where you are out of 100. And it is actually, you will see that that score will change every every year. I actually do it every 6 months because as you grow and as your needs and your desires change and your vision also change, you you will see that graph will start changing as well. Just give me 1 second. I've got a cat in my office that wants to go out and he's meowing. Just give me 1 second. that is, I don't know if that is the family part or the fun part, but it's definitely not the spiritual part. We've got 5 cats. On one of those cats is Jesse's cat that is still here. Okay, so go and fill out that inventory. Of course, you need to know where to start. If I want to go and visit Belinda, they're nearly in the Knuckle Triangle, but it's just outside. They're in Kempton Park. I when I put an address in maps, it asks me for my location. So you have to know where to start, and that is why I started with the inventory. And you will also see there on that Excel sheet, there's certain sheets there where you can categorize your strength and limitations as well, and write down your past successes as well. So that is part of your chapter 1, and you will see it at a later stage on how crucial will that be. But what I love about your past successes is that it's a powerful reminder of your capabilities and stuff that you did in your life. Okay, so your chapter 2 is the one that I love the most, is your dream list. So make sure that you populate that dream list. And I was actually reading through the 4 chapters just before this, and I can remember in one of our sessions on 10X, we said your dream list should include 50 things you want to experience, 50 things you want to own, and 50 ways you want to give back. So that is already 150 stuff. But you will see in this, on the pages 12 and 13, and the other pages as well, there's some inspiration that I just that's in there that I help you just to get those creative juices running. And I can tell you, if I start writing my dreams and everything that I want to still achieve in my life, I don't stop writing. I actually and I need to write it down. That is one thing that I learned. Because my handwriting is not that good. I write like a doctor. I put my stuff in notes, but I know I have to write it down. So that is part of what I'm also going to do this year, is to make sure that my goals are written down. Because there's I think I shared a video the other day also on the group of getting your goals written down. Okay, so make sure that your dreams are written down. And then the next chapter is to take that dreams, that 150 to 200 to 300 dreams of yours, and put that in the different categories of the 7 areas of your lives. And then you start prioritizing that. Give them a score out of 10, and then you take all the scores near to 10 and put it into a different list. So yeah, that is our homework for the month. And then the last, I see the chapter number 4 is just about mindset, getting your mindset ready. That is one thing that I struggled a lot in the past. Is I know that I've got a positive mindset, but when you start getting challenges in life, it's very easy to become negative, and it's a normal thing. We are people. We are living in a negative world, in a negative environment. Oh, there's Linda. Great to see you, Linda. Smelling the roses. Linda, sorry, you are late. We are finished. Goodbye. Have a nice evening. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so Linda, just to recap, we're going to journey this year through the book, and we're going to do 4 chapters per month. And if you go and look at the first 4 chapters, there's nice practical stuff in that, so that we can start defining. Oh, you're in London now. You're making me jealous. Okay, I don't actually want to. Let me just remove. Okay, Lena, just joking, just joking. Okay, so yeah, I love London. Um, if you were in London, there's one phrase that everybody will say is, and that phrase is "mind the gap." You will know that if you're on any station, there's just before you enter the train, there's on the loudspeakers, it says "mind the gap." Belinda, you go like this. Were you ever in London before?
No, I've never been to London, but like when you said in the train station, then I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah. Mind the gap. Yeah.
Um,
But yeah, I think yeah. Besides Vietnam, London was my one of my first countries that I visited outside South Africa. Overseas, yes, I've been to numerous African countries. I love Africa. You can see there's a Drakensberg there in the back. But yeah, I loved London because when I think we were there in 2007 or no 2008, and everything just worked. It felt so great. I don't know if it's still everything is still working there, Linda. I know Europe has got their own challenges, but London is for me still a special place. Okay, so yeah, that was my song and dance. Anything from you guys? Anything that you want to ask? Anything that you want to share?
yeah, I want to ask. Okay, so how would you like us to do it now? Would you like us to, okay, so today and then now it's the first 4 chapters. Do you want us to now read the first 4 chapters and do everything obviously in the first 4 chapters? Or do you want us to have to do the next 4 before the next call? In other words, for next month. So in other words, you want to us to read the 4 chapters before or after the call?
I think what we must do is we actually started today, so let's journey through January, um, through the first 4 chapters, and let's make sure that we've got everything in place. And then the second meeting will be more in the second week of February, so that we can have that whole February for the next 4 chapters. So from now till the second week in February, we can do the first 4 chapters,
Okay.
and then every
That's
month we can tackle. But as I know myself, I will go through my whole book in January and February. I will start
Mm.
all over again because I love the content, not just because it's my book, but everything in there. It's nice memories for me as well, and it is practical. It's a practical tool. Okay, Debbie, Soreta, Marinda. Yes, I'm the only guy between all these women. What happened? Where's the men?
Well, now you know who's consistent and who's persistent, and it's the woman.
Well, I can tell you if you attend prayer meetings, there will be 98% women and 2% men. We had a prayer meeting last year, December or November, I can't remember, for the schools, and all the ladies attended. But I think it was uh, maybe the men were working then, I don't know. But yeah, the consistency, especially on growth, you will see more women there. I don't know why.
I don't know either. I know that it's more even like from a religious point of view, from the family point of view, that it's always the mother that is the main, how'd you say, um, where the children go, in other words, where they um follow the religion or whatever. It's always the mother.
Yeah.
It's just in our nature, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, from outside, I see it a lot in my area. I I love going to the Mighty Men and men's camp and that stuff, and I can see that there's a lot of men that also are standing up in their faith, and I love it. It's good, important.
Agreed.
Okay, any inputs? Anything, Natanya? I see that you put your lipstick on for the meeting.
Uh, I think that's a filter. I'm not sure what's going on there.
Is
It's very
it?
odd. Yeah, I'll have to figure out, chat with ChatGPT about that, how to change that. Um, yeah, I'm trying to skip through the first four chapters here while you're talking. So that spreadsheet you were talking about, because I've got the ebook. I don't think you sent me a spreadsheet with
Okay,
it.
I'm going to send you what I normally do if people acquired the ebook. I normally send them a WhatsApp with the WhatsApp group, um,
Oh, okay.
and also the Facebook. So the number one is the WhatsApp group, and then following the Facebook page, and then there's an access tool to the full program that's online. So on that online program, you will get the Excel sheet and the videos as well. And then there's a link also to acquire the book if you know anybody. And yeah, so in that WhatsApp, that intro WhatsApp, it's in there. So if you don't have it anymore, I can just quickly send it to you.
Yeah, that'll be helpful. Otherwise, I've got to go look at all the hundreds of WhatsApps.
Okay. Do you guys want me to share it on the group again?
Yeah, I think so. Please. Thank you.
I'm gonna do it just after this. Okay, awesome. Anything else?
No, just thank you very, very much.
Yeah. Oh,
This
you will
definitely
see.
helps with motivation.
Yeah, you will see that these sessions will be interactive and it's going to be chilled. So I I made a few notes before just to be prepared, but it's not going to be a physical um, set in stone sessions. Okay, let me just read all the messages. Okay, Marinda. Okay, she says she's got bad connectivity and she already did chapter 1 to 3 and she's going to redo it. Okay, if you open your WhatsApp profile, then scroll down, all the information is on the way. They can access all your platforms. Okay, so apparently on the WhatsApp group, on the description, it's there. Okay, yeah. Tanya, just go to the description of the group and you will see all the information there. Thank you for that, Shalise. So I don't need to send it to you guys.
Awesome. Thank you.
Or you women, not you guys,
Ladies.
you ladies. But yeah, that's just a way of talking, eh? Hello, guys.
Hi, guys.
I see people that do TikTok a lot. Hello, guys. I don't know. Who's that, guys? Hallo, julle. Daar is Elise ook nou.
Hi, Shalise.
Hi, guys.
Good
You
evening.
see, she also said, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Any testimonials, any stories, anything? We still have about 15 minutes left. Come on, there must be
I think we'll have more testimonials and stuff after reading the first 4 chapters.
yeah.
And then after that we'll be able to like relate and
Yeah, and please interact on that group. Yes, I want that WhatsApp group to be
buzzing.
but if you moan, I'm gonna do it. Admin only can post. No, just joking. Linda, what are you doing in London?
I'm visiting my daughter, actually. I
Yes, I'm
was
jealous.
and her family. So I was here for Christmas, and then I went over to the Netherlands to see my son for New Year's, up until just after New Year's. And then I'm back here. Her hubby's on a business trip in Panama. So she asked me to just extend my visit, which I've done. And I leave on Sunday. I'll be back in warm SA on Monday. Looking
Oh,
forward to that, I
sure.
must say. This wet weather is something else.
Yeah, no, for
Is
sure.
it wet and
Wet and
cold?
cold, eh?
Ooh, no.
Like a baby, wet and cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome, man. Awesome. Okay. Any last words? Anything from you?
No, just this is really, really helping me just get stuck in again, if you know what I
Yeah.
mean. So
No, for sure. And
I'm
especially
very
this year.
mm,
Yes, no, we're gonna run this year. Yes, I'm looking forward.
oh,
Lekker. Awesomeness. Okay. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna yeah, well, I recorded. I just want to make sure, otherwise we must start all over again. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and also send it on the group and use it for some material to hopefully change somebody's life. Okay, awesomeness, ladies. Thank you. Thank you for
thank you.
allowing me to be the only man between 2, 4, 6, 7 ladies. Thank you, Linda, for attending. You are 2 hours behind us, or what?
Yes, it's only 6:30 here now in the evening, but it's pitch dark.
Yeah, it's dark,
Yeah,
yes.
the sun sets around about 4-ish.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm 2 hours behind, and I somehow just got I knew it was 6 o'clock tonight. And fortunately, somebody spoke on the group, and I saw this and said, "Oh, I've missed this." I almost did, hey?
yeah,
Almost.
yeah, but awesomeness, man. So we've got international people here on the group and also local.
Temporary international.
Yeah. I actually have a friend of mine that also bought the book and he's staying in the UK.
Wonderful.
Yeah, old school buddy. Awesomeness. Thank you. Have a great
Okay.
evening and be blessed.
Thank
You
you.
too.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Marius.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.